Welcome to this incredible character home on the North Shore, which has undergone a complete restoration and remodeling, finishing in 2008. The covered veranda opens up to fir floors that flow into the spacious living room with a dramatic fireplace surround roughed in for an electric insert. A two-piece guest bathroom sits next to an incredible kitchen with dark-colored cabinets, granite countertops, a custom wood slab island, all surrounding stainless steel appliances, including a professional-grade Fulgor induction stove and oven. Stepping past the eating area leads to the private sundeck and fully fenced garden surrounded by mature landscaping and hedges. A raised garden bed sits opposite the custom-built contemporary utility sheds, one with double doors that can accommodate motorcycles. The primary bedroom at the front of the house looks out to the trees framing the playground across the street. The main bathroom with a granite capped vanity and classic clawfoot tub partitions the second bedroom, taking in the backyard and westerly exposures. The lower level offers a newer separate one-bedroom accommodation with stainless steel appliances, a full bathroom, and plenty of natural light from the windows at either end. Waterfront strolls at Lonsdale Quay, shopping, groceries, and other amenities are just minutes away.